In the previous lecture, we learned about formatting text, and we focused on emphasis and italic element. In this lecture, we're going to continue learning about formatting text, and we're going to be focusing on strong and B element. So we're going to start with the strong element. The HTML strong element defines a strong text, and this is also a semantic element. So let's start by adding the strong element right here. So I'm going to open the tag right here, and I'm going to close it up right here. Now, let's save it and refresh the browser, and there it is. Now, the next one is the B tag. The B element represents a bold text. The bold element works the same as a strong element, except that the B element is not an HTML semantic element. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the B tag right here. Yeah, which is the bold element. I'm gonna close it right here. Okay, let's save it and refresh the page. Okay, and you can see this is the strong element and this is the bold element. The results are the same as a strong element. But once again, the B tag defines a bold text without any additional importance. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to continue looking at formatting text, and we're going to be focusing on the underline and the mark tag.